On May 5, 1970, the town of Merrimack began operation of its wastewater treatment facility after the Clean Water Act was enacted by Congress. The main facility is located on Mass Road. There are also 2 pump stations located on Railroad Avenue and Griffin Street, which were brought online in 1972. These stations pump the wastewater to the main facility located on Mass Road. The project was funded through federal and state grants, with the community contributing 5% of its cost. Today, the main facility is 49 years old and the pump stations are 47 years old. While the town has implemented several projects to upgrade the equipment, there is still original equipment which needs to be replaced. The Town of Merrimack Assistant Director of Public Works, Sarita Croce, explains.
We've completed several upgrades to the facility, but still 50% of the equipment has never been replaced. This project has several goals, which includes replacing nearly 50-year-old equipment and to address issues with code compliance, such as the American with Disabilities Act and electrical code compliance. Our facility at Mast Road is not ADA compliant.
Waste being flushed through the modern wastewater stream today is very different than it was 4 decades ago.
Flushable wipes do not disintegrate before reaching the wastewater treatment facility. They are clogging our pumps, pipes, and equipment. To deal with the problem, we are building a new screenings facility that will remove the wipes prior to entering the plant.
A very important aspect of this project are the facility's sludge storage tanks.
Our operators have to go inside the sludge storage tanks several times a year to physically shovel out wipes and waste from the bottom. The tanks are 17 feet deep, and the employees are exposed to sewer gases while they're inside. We are planning to lower the height of the tanks by 4 feet and change the configuration of the tops of the tanks to allow for removal of the waste using a vacuum truck. This will minimize the need to go inside the tanks.
Funding for this project does not affect the town tax rate, as it is funded through sewer user fees.
Funding for the project will come from a 30-year low-interest loan from the State of New Hampshire State Revolving Fund. No taxes are used to pay for the facility or any of our capital improvements. The funds come from our sewer user fees. By completing the project, we will be able to continue to provide uninterrupted service to our ratepayers. We will also maintain compliance with our EPA discharge permit. This project will allow us to gain efficiencies in our operations by reducing operating costs.